Hi friends, welcome back KSJ Tamil programs. Today we are going to see the language Python. First we go to see the Python introduction. Let's go to first point. Python is a general purpose programming language. That means we can define the code for different kinds of applications because it has predefined or built-in packages under libraries. That is called a general purpose programming language. Then it's developed by Guido van Rossum. In this picture, Guido van Rossum. The implementations of Python was started in December 1989. After, in 1991, he published the code first version 0.9.0. Then, in 1994, Python 1.0 was released with additional new features. Then, Python 2.0 added with new additional features. After, on December 3rd, 2008, Python 3.0 was released. This is a better version for others. Then Python got its name from a BBC comedy series from 70s, Monty Python's Flying Circus, because he liked very much to went frequently to Monty Python's Flying Circus. After he got its name Python. Python supports both procedural and object-oriented programming approaches. Procedural means we can write the every code top down, and the memory will read and execute also top down. That is called procedural. Object oriented means we can write every code top down approach, but memory will be going to call and execute bottom up approach because it contains classes and objects. Later will be discuss this topic. Then it's a platform independent programming language. That means write once, run anywhere our code. Anywhere our code means we can execute our code with different OS like Windows, Mac, Linux, and etc. That is called platform independent programming language. Then it easily readable and understandable. This is a major advantages of Python because it has less code and easy to understand. Then Python is an interpreter, object oriented and high level programming language. Then what is the difference between compiler and interpreter working? In compiler, first we give the source code. After, it will be checked all errors the whole program at a time. After clear the all errors, it will be converted to machine code. Then it will be display the output. In interpreter, first we give the source code. After, it will be checked error line by line and also converted the machine code. Then it can be executed as soon as it is written. Then it will be display the output very quickly because the interpreter is faster than compiler. It's a flexible, compiler is not flexible. Okay. Then it can be used for a wide variety of applications. Already I told you we can define different kinds of applications because it has built-in packages and libraries. Then Python code editors. The most recent major version of Python is Python 3. This is better versions for other lower version. Python will be written in a text editor, Python interpreter, Python IDLE. IDLE means integrated development learning environment. This is software we can easy to download and install our system, such as Notepad++, PyCharm, NetBeans, Eclipse, Spider, Anaconda, etc. We can choose any kinds of software. Example, Python idle. It will be execute the code like file by file. In PyCharm, we can execute the as a folder of files. That means we can execute like a project. Then Anaconda means we can write the code and execute in the browser form. This is an example for you. Then using Python application, we can define the code for web development. It's easy to develop the web development. Then came development, then machine learning and artificial intelligence, then data science and data visualization, then desktop GUI, graphical user interface, then business applications, then audio and video applications, that means media player, then CAD applications, then embedded application, that means hardware and software applications. Okay, in this Python, it has very less code and easy to understand the every code. Then we can define the every code for different kinds of applications. Okay, like these are all the applications. Okay, because it has built-in packages and so many libraries. I hope you understand every slides. If you like this video, you like me and share to others. If you have any doubt, you comment me and subscribe me. Thank you. Thank you for watching. God bless you.